Hi there neighbors, it's Nicole Fetter, your local Arizona realtor. I've been getting the question, should I get a home inspection before I list my home, a lot lately. Unfortunately, this is one of those questions without a black or white answer. It depends on a lot of different factors whether I would recommend you get a home inspection before you list your home. Some of which being the age of the home. Are you in a current real estate seller's market or buyer's market in your neighborhood? Have you maintained your home well? Do you have the money to make repairs if they come back necessary? Have you made lots of upgrades to your home? Just to name a few of the factors. Before we jump too far into this, let's go over what a home inspection is. It's a visual evaluation by a licensed professional on the plumbing, the structural, the electrical, on your home overall, what needs to be fixed, maintained, upkeep, maybe upgraded, those sort of things. Positives of getting a home inspection before you list your property. Knowing the condition of your home. It's always a lot easier to know if something major is wrong with your home before you get under contract with a buyer. That way you have options. You can decide to price your home differently, give a concession, decide if you're not going to do anything to help with the process, or make the repair. You can also make other repairs that you think will make a difference. So when the buyer does get an inspection, those things don't come up. Number 2, save yourself some time. If you know what's going on with the property, you can make the necessary repairs before you get under contract, saving yourself a ton of time in negotiations with the buyer. Also, you're not going to have any delays in closing because of those negotiations or from not being able to get the repairs done before the close of escrow. Great marketing. You can list any upgrades made to the property, anything that's newer, upgraded electrical, plumbing, roof is in great condition, AC was replaced 3 years ago. Anything like that can be advertised and marketed to make your home more attractive than others. You can also advertise that you've already had a home inspection done and let interested or contracted buyers take a look at that inspection. That way they don't have to get their own, or they can know exactly what's going on with the property. It's going to attract more serious buyers. If you are advertising and allowing potential buyers to look at the inspection report and look at everything going on with the property before they get under contract, they're going to know exactly what's going on, and there's not going to be a chance of something coming up that makes them less interested in the property. You're also going to save them time and money by already having an inspection report. They don't have to have one done. You can get all the negotiations done up front before you even go under contract. Now that we've talked about a multitude of positives with getting a pre-listing home inspection, realize it's not all rainbows and unicorns over here. There is a flip side. Some of the cons are, it is going to cost you. The average home inspection, depending on the size of the home and the neighborhood you live in, is $450. Getting that home inspection could unleash some problems with the home. It could have roof leaks, AC problems, structural damage. Any problems that do arise from that home inspection do have to be disclosed to potential buyers. Buyers that may have went under contract not knowing those and still been interested in your property after they're vested under contract, had their own inspection done. Now, if that inspection's already been done and they know before they've got attached to the property, they may just move on. It could make your home harder to sell. Depending on if you have the money to make the repairs on your home, how well it's been maintained, the age of your home, many factors that we have discussed. So again, you should always talk to your realtor, give them all the details, and decide together whether getting a pre-listing inspection is done. Key takeaways. It could be great, depending on the market, the real estate market, sellers, buyers, age of the home, upgrades, how well the home has been maintained, and how much money you have to make necessary repairs. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please call, text, email, or direct message me. I am always here to help with your home buying and selling needs. Please remember to like and share this video with your friends and family. Help continue to educate them on the home buying and selling process. And remember,